Alright, another unboxing. Unboxing number 2, following the seat cut. That bag stinks. Turn down the music. GP5000s in 28C, which is going on the Ruby here. Plane overhead. Let me pause. Okay, so I got these for a pair for I think 77 bucks. That was the cheapest I could find it with shipping and handling. Let me open it up. GP5000 in 28C for the endurance bike. Supposed to be the latest and greatest. And I have me a digital caliper now, so I can actually test the dimensions of this after I pump it up to the desired PSI. GP5000. Black chili compound, laser grip, active comfort, Vectron breaker, supposedly 3-ply 330 TPI. 330 TPI. Most regular tires have 60 TPI, and then other high quality tires have 120 TPI. This one has a claim of 330 TPI. The higher the TPI, the more comfort in the tire, supposedly. Let's see how it actually works out. This is just what it looks like. I'll have a review video when I actually ride it. But let's snip this, see what the tire looks like, feels like, smells like, tastes like. Let's check it out. Okay, so made in Germany, handmade. So kind of like what the Cycling Virgin had said, yes, it does feel a little plasticky, but supposedly the rolling resistance of this bad boy is supposed to be second to none, and it's supposed to be the best all around in its class compared to the specialized turbos, not the cotton wall. Cotton wall is definitely overpriced and not for daily training. I heard it gets too much flats, punctures. But I like the GP4000. I hate the gator skin. Gator skin is on that bike. Sucks in the wet, and you gotta decrease the PSI just to get any comfort out of it. This one looks to have a thicker middle with a lot of tacky grip on the middle and over these weird shape things. But all in all, feels like a pretty solid tire. I like that it just says 5000 with the German flag. And it is directional, and it now says made in Germany. 728, 28 by 622 is the exact dimensions. Let's compare it to a GP4000 on another bike. Take a look. So this is the budget Ultra Sport right here, $20 tire. Highly recommend it. Pure grip compound, 20 bucks if you're on a budget. Been using it. It is lighter than the gator skin and grippier than the gator skin and more comfortable than the gator skin and cheaper, 20 bucks. But that would be like the bottom level Continental, I would say. Continental Ultra Sport 25 mm. This right here is the tried and true GP4000 S2s in 25 mm, and it's got some wear on it. It's got some cuts, but still running strong, comfortable, fast tire. Highly recommend. Gator skins, the hardest compound, super rigid, uncomfortable, but less flats, because I don't really want to be dealing with flats with this whole TT setup. So I run it at about 80 psi. Very hard sidewall. Turbo Pro grip tons, super good all around. I'd say medium range, not really budget, but medium range tire, great all around. Not as light as the S-Works turbos, but price friendly. And then all conditions, little grippier than the gator skins, but heavy and just for anti-flat protection. And then Ribmo PTs, Panasonic 700 by 25C, very hard rubber compound, very long mileage, very long lasting, very rigid, good for fixed gear and skidding and commuting, not good for training. Very heavy, very rigid, you feel every pebble on the ground. Good grip though, very good grip. That's my tires. So stay tuned for more reviews on the GP5000, how it actually rides, honest review. This is a non-paid, absolutely non-paid, bought this with my own money, initial unboxing and future review. Like and subscribe.